Ever wondered how plants contribute to modern medicine? Well, the answer to that lies in the field of pharmacognosy. This fascinating science delves into the study of medicinal drugs derived from plants and other natural sources. From ancient times, humans have relied on nature to alleviate their ailments, and this tradition continues even in our technologically advanced age. Consider this. Many of the medicines in our cabinets have their roots, quite literally, in the plant kingdom. These include painkillers, anti-inflammatories, and even treatments for life-threatening conditions like cancer. But how do plants get transformed into these life-saving drugs? This is where pharmacognosy comes into play. It's a science that bridges the gap between the natural world and our health, studying how plants can be used to create effective and safe medicines. So let's delve into the fascinating world of pharmacognosy and discover the plants that have revolutionized modern medicine. Pharmacognosy isn't a new science. It has a rich history dating back centuries. It all began with our ancestors, who relied on plants for healing. From the Sumerians documenting plant remedies on clay tablets, to the Egyptians compiling the Ebers Papyrus, a record of over 800 medicinal plants, humans have long recognized the healing power of nature. Moving forward to the Middle Ages, we see the rise of herbals, books containing the descriptions and uses of medicinal plants. The systematic study of pharmacognosy, however, truly took root in the 19th century. Scientists began analyzing plant compounds in labs, identifying their active ingredients, and understanding their effects on the human body. This led to the discovery of numerous pharmaceuticals that we use today. From the humble beginnings of ancient herbal remedies to the sophisticated pharmacognostic studies of today, the journey of pharmacognosy is a testament to human curiosity and innovation. With this historical context in mind, we can better appreciate the contributions of specific plants to modern medicine. When you think of tobacco, medicine might not be the first thing that comes to mind. But hold that thought, as there's more to this plant than meets the eye. Tobacco, known scientifically as Nicotiana tabacum, is rich in pyridine piperidine alkaloids, with nicotine being the most prominent. This alkaloid has been a subject of fascination for scientists due to its paradoxical effects on the human body. On one hand, nicotine stimulates the release of dopamine, providing a temporary feeling of pleasure and relaxation. This effect has led to the exploration of nicotine's potential in treating neurodegenerative disorders like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. On the other hand, nicotine also stimulates the adrenal glands, causing a release of adrenaline that increases heart rate, blood pressure, and glucose levels. While it's essential to remember the health risks associated with tobacco use, it's equally important to acknowledge its potential medicinal applications. Tobacco, a plant often associated with health risks, has also made its mark in the field of medicine. Belladonna, Datura, and Coca, 3 plants with a potent medicinal punch. These fascinating flora are rich in tropane alkaloids, a group of naturally occurring chemical compounds that have had a profound impact on modern medicine. Belladonna, also known as deadly nightshade, has been used for centuries as a pain reliever, muscle relaxer, and even as a cosmetic. Its active compound atropine continues to be a crucial tool in modern medicine, used to dilate pupils and treat certain types of poisonings. Datura, a plant with a reputation for its hallucinogenic properties, is also a significant source of scopolamine, a medication used for motion sickness and post-operative nausea and vomiting. Then there's Coca, the plant famously known for its role in the creation of cocaine. Beyond this controversial use, coca leaves have been traditionally chewed for their stimulating effects and ability to suppress appetite and fatigue. These 3 plants remind us of the power and potential of nature's pharmacy. Cinchona, Ipecac, and Opium, plants that have given us some of the most important drugs in history. Let's dive into the world of quinoline and isoquinoline alkaloids and explore their substantial impact on medicine. Cinchona, a tropical tree, is the source of quinine, a potent anti-malarial. Discovered in the 17th century, quinine has had a profound effect on global health, reducing the devastating impact of malaria. Next up, we have Ipecac, a small shrub from the rainforests of South America. Its roots and rhizomes contain emetine, a powerful substance used to induce vomiting in cases of poisoning. Last but not least, opium. Derived from the poppy plant, opium has provided us with morphine, an excellent pain reliever, and codeine, a cough suppressant. Despite their potential for abuse, These compounds have revolutionized pain management and cough treatment. These plants have truly transformed the field of medicine with their potent compounds. There's a vast array of plants that have made significant contributions to modern medicine. Let's start with ergot, a fungus that grows on rye and other grains. Its alkaloids like ergotamine are used to treat migraines and to induce childbirth by stimulating uterine contractions. Then there's Rauwolfia serpentina, a plant native to South Asia. It contains rezapine, a key compound used to treat hypertension and psychosis. Next, we have Catharanthus roseus, also known as the Madagascar periwinkle. This plant is a powerhouse of medicinal compounds. It's the source of vincristine and vinblastine, two chemotherapy drugs used in the treatment of various cancers, including leukemia. Nux vomica, a tree found in Southeast Asia, contains strychnine and brucine, both potent alkaloids. While strychnine was historically used as a performance-enhancing drug, nowadays it's known for its toxicity. Brucine, on the other hand, has been studied for its potential anti-cancer properties. Switching gears to Pilocarpus, a genus of tropical plants. The leaves of Pilocarpus jabarandi are rich in pilocarpine, an alkaloid used to treat glaucoma by reducing pressure in the eye. Veratrum, a genus of flowering plants, contains a range of steroidal alkaloids like veratridine and cevidine. Historically, these were used to treat high blood pressure, but their use has been largely discontinued due to side effects. Curchi, a small tree found in Asia, is a source of conosine, a steroidal alkaloid with anti-amoebic properties, used in the treatment of amoebic dysentery. Turning to ephedra, a shrub native to Central Asia. Its alkaloids like ephedrine and pseudoephedrine are used in decongestants and weight loss products. Colchicum, a genus of perennial flowering plants, is the source of colchicine, a potent drug used to treat gout and familial Mediterranean fever. Solanum, a large and diverse genus of flowering plants, includes species like the potato and tomato, but also plants with medicinal properties. Solanine, a glycoalkaloid found in some Solanum species, has been studied for its potential anti-cancer and antiviral properties. Lastly, let's not forget about our daily companions, coffee and tea. They contain purines like caffeine and theophylline, which stimulate the central nervous system and heart. They're also packed with antioxidants, offering potential health benefits like improved brain function and lower risk of certain cancers. The diversity and potency of plant-derived compounds in medicine is truly astounding. From ancient remedies to modern drugs, plants have always been a vital part of medicine. Our journey today has taken us deep into the heart of pharmacognosy, unearthing the valuable contributions of plants like tobacco, belladonna, and cinchona, to name a few. These plants, with their pyridine, piperidine, tropane, and quinoline compounds, have played pivotal roles in the development of life-saving drugs and treatments. Remember the indole-rich ergot, Rauwolfia, and Catharanthus. These plants, often overlooked, have been instrumental in the fight against various diseases. Similarly, Pilocarpus, with its imidazole compounds, has made significant contributions to the world of medicine. We've also seen the power of steroidal compounds in veratrum and curchi, the alkaloidal amine in ephedra and colchicum, the glycoalkaloid in solanum, and the purines in our everyday coffee and tea. Each of these plants, with their unique chemical compositions, have opened up new realms of possibilities within the pharmaceutical industry. But it's not just about what these plants have done, it's about what they can still do. The potential of plant-derived compounds in medicine is vast and largely untapped. As we continue to study and understand these compounds, who knows what new treatments and cures we might discover? Pharmacognosy, the study of medicinal plants, is a field rich with possibilities. It gives us the chance to delve into the heart of nature and uncover its secrets, using them to improve our health and well-being. The future of this field is as exciting as its past. As we wrap up our exploration today, remember that this is just the beginning. There's an entire world of pharmacognosy out there waiting to be discovered, and we'll be right here, ready to take you on that journey. Subscribe for more because you won't find me later. Together, we'll continue to explore the fascinating world of pharmacognosy.